as you've seen on the title of the video, it says how to make money online with Prolific. So in this video, I'm going to be briefing out what is Prolific and how you can make money with Prolific. So basically, Prolific is a website whereby researchers get to upload their studies, surveys for the public to participate on their surveys and the studies. Then you get paid for your participation. So it's a simple way of making small money. It's a simple way of making money. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining how you make money with it and how to register it. So make sure you stay tuned and please subscribe to our channel if you're new, and please click on the like button if this video is going to be valuable to you.
Okay guys, so now I'm on Google, so I'm gonna search prolific.co, prolific.co, then search. So after searching the first search result on Google, I'm gonna click it is prolific.co. So I'm clicking it, and it's gonna direct me to Prolific website. When you get to Prolific website, you can all what you need to read here. So as you can see, like this is real, this is legit, like it's been featured on University of Oxford, Harvard University, and the World Bank, so and many more. So you can check it for yourself. But then let me begin on doing what the video is all about. So because it's gonna be your first time, you wanna sign up to participate. You don't sign up to research. You're not a researcher, you're not a big institution. So like remember, like Prolific is for all the researchers and the participants. So the researchers, when they want to register, they sign up to research. So you are gonna sign up to participate. So I'm clicking it right now. After clicking it, there's the first option here. It says it's already clicked automatically. It says I want to take part in studies, so you can click there to check. So don't go here, you don't want to recruit participants. This one is for researchers and bigger institutions, so you only want to take part in studies. Then you fill up your country of residence, the date of birth, first name, last name, and your email address. Make sure your email address is the one you use most of the time, because like this is gonna be the email address whereby Prolific will communicate with you. They will send you a receipt of payments, like everything, all that kind of stuff. And then you create your password and confirm your password. After you wanna click these two options here. If you have time, you can read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. But then Prolific, there's no subscription for it. It's all about free. It's a free thing, so everyone can do it. But then you have to be 18 years old to do Prolific and start earning money with it. So now that I already have an account, I'm gonna click here and sign in to show you how it's like when you're signing in after registering on Prolific. So it's already signed in. This is the home page after signing in. So this is where like you get to see studies. So when a study appear here, make sure you click on it very fast, because the studies are only limited. They can be limited to certain people, and they can only be accessed only when the maximum number of participants have been reached. So make sure when you see it there, it's first come, first serve. Make sure when you see it there, you click it very fast. So yeah, then you're gonna participate in it. Here, let me go to my submissions of Prolific and show you. I started with Prolific last year around May. So from May till today, till this year 2021, it's 99 submissions. I submitted 99 submissions, and only 74 out of 99, only 74 were approved. Total end, it's 101.51 pounds. So this is the money that I've earned. This is the money that I've earned since last year after joining Prolific. So I've been making these small amounts of money, like every time when I get a chance, like when I'm bored. So yeah, basically, like I was using this money to pay my router. I was using this money to get internet connection. So yeah, because internet connection to me, it was very difficult to be on the internet, and data is very expensive. So this is the thing that helped me to get on the internet. Like still nowadays, like yeah, I'm always on the internet now. Internet is no longer an issue to me. So maybe you can still use it to buy yourself data, like subscribe for the Wi-Fi routers, so things like that. Or you can use this money to buy someone a gift, or yourself gifts, or you can use it on your daily routine things, like things that you like. It will depend on you. So yeah, now this is my balance here. So if I click on my balance, it will show where like my balance is, my PayPal account, or pending balance, or this is the pending balance. So here it shows after submitting a study, they will have to, the researcher have to either accept the study or reject the study. So it will depend on your answers. So I'm still waiting for it. Then this is my current balance. That 101 pounds is the money that I've withdrawn so far. So now this is my balance on PayPal. I can even cash out, but then I will cash out on the next video, whereby I'll be explaining how to cash out and how to get this Prolific money into your bank account. Remember, here it's only on my balance, like on Prolific balance and on my Prolific account. So on the next video, I'm gonna be explaining how to cash it out and how to get it in your bank balance, in your bank account. I mean, so yeah. And make sure, like after signing up on your about you, make sure all of the, like they are all filled. They are all filled, because like these are the things that helps you to get surveys and researches. Surveys and the studies. Yeah. So this is what helps you to get surveys and studies. So you make sure you complete all this. Then you will get to receive surveys. If you are bored, you can log in here. And then on the next video, yeah, I'll also explain for the ones who are using desktop laptops or PC, personal computers. So I'm gonna be explaining. There's an extension whereby, like when there's a study on Prolific, your computer or your PC actually, gives you a notification that says there's a new study available on Prolific. So it reminds you every time when there's a study, because like there are no studies all the time. Like so, like maybe you can get maybe you can get less than 5 studies in a week, but then there are always studies in here at certain times. So yeah, I'll also be explaining that on the next video. So yeah guys, as I was going deeper, I will go deeper on the next video, very 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 deeper. Please click that like button if you really enjoyed watching this video, and please, if you are new, please click on the subscribe button, and please also click on the bell button so that you can get notified every time when you post a video. Thank you guys, we love you.